Hi guys, thank you for tuning in. This is John from Dr. ABS. Now I'm going to share with you what happens if you intend to restore or repair the ABS module on your own. So this is my suggestion to all those Proton Waja owners. If you have never done before, good luck. And I hope that you don't damage or destroy your ABS module just because you want to save some money. If you look at the left module, attempt to restore. Unfortunately, one or two of the component has been chipped off. Okay, if you look at the module on the right, for those who have never done this before, you can see it has been damaged when they try to open up the module. Alright, you can see clearly now. So good luck guys if you want to attempt to repair or restore on your own. And remember, please subscribe. Bye.